Hi guys, PJ here. Today is a really short video. I am going to show you how to change the wiper blades on a Citroen DS3 or any car, to be honest, that uses the bayonet fitting wiper blades. First things first, because we're going to be moving the arms up and down, we're going to put something over the glass. Now you want some cardboard or something like that ideally, and it's in case it comes down without the blade attached, because it will smash your window screen straight away. There we go guys, that's why the cardboard's there, because if that falls down when it hasn't got a wiper blade on, you're going to smash your window screen. So, pull the arm up. You've got two tabs here, one there and one on the underside. At the same time, you need to squeeze these tabs together and with the other hand, pull up. They're on a bayonet fit. And there we go. Like I say, you don't want that hitting your window screen at full pelt. It's on a sprung load system. So put your wiper blade to one side, that's the old one. Get your new wiper blade. And simply locate the dowel, or the arm rather. Oh, there we go. There we go. Make sure it goes up into this corner. Click. You'll hear it click when it's located in place. Lower it down, obviously remove your cardboard, otherwise you're probably not going to see where you're going, let's face it. And that's it. That is how you replace the wiper blades on any car with bayonet fit blades. This is a DS3, but most of the Citroens, Peugeot range are all the same. Guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you again next time. Bye.